In today's video, I will walk you through how to start a new conversation on Telegram Web. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Starting a new conversation on Telegram Web is a simple way to connect with your contacts directly from your browser. Whether you're sending a message to a friend, family member, or coworker, Telegram Web keeps all of your chats synchronized across your devices, making it easy to continue conversations wherever you are. First, look at the right sidebar of your Telegram Web window. Near the bottom, you'll see a new chat icon, which looks like a pencil. Click it, and in the Options window, tap New Message and find the person you want to chat with. Or you can simply click directly into the global search bar. Type the name or username of the person you want to message. As you type, Telegram will display matching contacts and global users. Click on the correct profile, and a brand new chat window will instantly open on the right side of your screen. Type your first message, hit enter, and you're officially in conversation. If the person doesn't appear in your contact list, you'll need to add them as a contact first, using their phone number, before you can start a conversation. Once they're added, you can return to the new message window, select their name, and begin chatting. As your conversation continues, Telegram Web will automatically sync all sent and received messages with your other devices that are signed into the same account. This means you can switch between your phone and your browser without losing your chat history. You can start as many new conversations as you like by repeating the same process. Simply click the New Message button, select another contact, and begin typing your message. And that's how to start a new conversation on Telegram Web. It's a quick and convenient way to stay connected with your contacts directly from your browser. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.